Phonics, the letters for the 42 sounds of English, read by Karajoy Nash. Credit given to the Phonics Handbook, Sue Lloyd, Jolly Phonics, page 4. These are the letters for the 42 sounds of English. A. The short A sound is A, as in ant, sand, caravan. AI makes the long A sound, A. Aim, aid, drain. B, the sound is B. Bat, bend, crab. C makes the hard C sound, Ca, cat, caught, duck. D, the sound D, dog, dip, sudden. E, the short E sound, egg, end, shed. E, the long E sound, E, eel, creep, tree. F, fog, lift, fluff. G, the hard G sound, G, goat, gap, digger. H, hop, hit, hill. I, the short I sound, ink, Indian, drink. IE makes the long I sound, I, pie, tie, die. J makes the J sound, jelly, jet, jumper. K makes the K sound, king, kind, kettle. L, leg, lost, shell. M, man, mill, shrimp. N, nut, nip, spin. O makes the sound, short, orange, on, spot. OA makes the long O sound, oak, oats, boat. P, pig, pet, step. Q is always followed by the U, makes the Q sound. Queen, quick, quinn. R, run, rabbit, barrel. S, sand, sun, twist. T, top, tug, mat. U, short U, up, under, lung. UE makes the long U sound, U, do, Tuesday, Q. V, van, vet, give. W, wind, went, swim. X sound, X-ray, ox, flex. Y, yell, yes, yellow. Z, zoo, zebra, buzz. These are blends. SH, sh, ship, shop, wish. CH, ch, chop, chick, much. TH, the, this, then, with. TH, an unvoiced th, thin, thick, thimble. NG, ng, song, bang, string. OO, the little o, book, room, foot. OO, the long O, moon, spoon, shoot. AR, R, arm, art, arm, start. ER, curb, stern, sister. OR, or, order, corn, storm. OI, oi, oil, ointment, spoil. OU, owl, out, cloud, found.